Hello and welcome to Only in Your Mind. My name is Natasha, and this week I did a pretty awesome character, Naruto. I usually watch a lot of other artists, and one artist who does like cartoon drawings did a character of Naruto, and I thought he was pretty cute, so I figured what's even cuter than a face paint of Naruto. So if you guys want to see how I did this face paint, just keep watching.
Okay guys, as always we're starting with an image, and this image I found on YouTube from that artist that I spoke about. Don't remember who he is, but let's get started on little Naruto. So this color that I'm using, it's a combination of white and another color from mehron. All the stuff that I use in this video will be put in my description box below if you guys want to check it out. So I just did his head, and now I'm working on his ears, and then I'm using a black from mehron to do his headband. I'm just going to go across his head and do the sides of his headband first before I fill in with black. Then the yellow part of his hair is going to be right on top of his headband. Now his hair is definitely a big part of the character, and I'm just going to do lines to basically figure out where I want his little, I don't know, spikes, not even spikes, but you know, his hair to go. So there we go. And then I will fill in the sides of it and kind of make like a triangle, I guess you could say, and part of his hair goes over his headband and onto the sides, and there I go. I am filling it in with that mehron yellow. There we go. And I'm just going to make a straighter line right here. Just take off a little part of it. There you go. And now he's got his burn, so I'm going to bring it down, and also his eyebrows. We got to give him some eyebrows. There's one right there, and there's one right there. So we're going to go ahead and fill in the top of his headband, and we're going to leave a little area so we can fill in with some gray later on for that metal part. There you go. And here it is. Here is that gray, and this is also a mehron gray. It's a light gray. And with some baby blue, I think it is. It's a very light blue that is also from mehron for his eyes. And here we go. Let's do some round circles for his eyeballs. And then we're going to go ahead and do his teeth with some mehron white. We're going to do a line at the top and then a smaller line right there, and then we're going to kind of connect the teeth in between that as well. Okay, with some black we are going to do his collar, and then with some dark gray we're going to do his arms and his chest area part of it. So we're going to make him like he's throwing up his fist, like he's mad. So there you go. Here's one arm and the other arm. Let's fill that sleeve in, and then we're going to go ahead and fill the middle, I guess, like where his jacket meets. And then we're going to use some orange for the sides of his jacket, and that's from mehron too. The dark gray is also from mehron. And then we're going to go ahead and give him a round circle for his fist, and then later on we will make his fingers and stuff. You'll see how that works. So I'm using this stencil, and I'm going to go ahead and use the really cool dots on the side of his head. And then on the other side I'm going to do that too as well. I love these dots. They add so much to a character. And I'm using a finger dauber too with some white from mehron. And then here is this tag. I think this is called Tiger, which is a really perfect color combination for a tiger because it's got the white and the yellow and the orange, and it goes pretty much perfect with Naruto. But I'm going to kind of do a butterfly pattern here on my eyes and right on the bottom of my eyes, and I'm going to take some Wolfe white to have a very strong white for some swirls and some teardrops. So I'm going to do one teardrop there, then I'm going to go ahead and do a swirl right here, and then I'm going to add 2 more teardrops right here. And then I decided to add some dots, 1, 2, about 3 dots here, and it's going to kind of point to the corner of my eye, and then I'm going to fill in the corner of my eye with some white. Then I'm going to take a brush and kind of blend in the white with the yellow. And then with that same white, I'm going to go around to the corner of my eye. And then I decided to add some teardrops right here and add some more dots on my eyelid. Okay, so to finish up my eyes, I will use some black face paint for some eyeliner, and I will go across my eyes and wing it out in the at the end. And you know, I got some face paint all over my eyelash. It looks really bad, but anyways, I'm gonna take some yellow face paint and put it on the bridge of my nose, and then add this really cool stencil, kind of almost goes like an arrow with dots. Add some highlights and some shadowing on his little metal plate on his headband. And now it's time to use some Wolfe black to do some outlining of the actual character. So guys, while I am doing this outlining, I would like to tell you I have so many other videos that I have not even edited, and I would like to get these face paints out for you guys. So I'm hoping that I can get it started. I've been working on a website to sell my soap and my crochet stuff, and actually I added face painting in there, so if anybody wanted to book face painting and henna and all that other cool stuff, it's going to be like on one website. So that's been taking up some mental time. But anyways, here I'm going to outline his mouth, and then I'm going to fill in on the corners with black. Yeah, there we go. I'm filling it in. But when I mean mental time, is because I'm just working on the website myself. And here are his 3 little lines right here. There we go. And on the other side. And then we're going to go ahead and do his fingers. Here's one. That's his thumb, actually. And then we're going to go around. There we go. And do some fingers. It's really cool because all I did was a circle and then just added, you know, with some black, his fingers. So there we go. We're going to do some dots on each side of the metal part. And then there we go. We're going to do kind of like almost like a half circle right there. Then we're going to curve in and then a line right here and then a V shape. And then I'll put some dots in his eyes and dots down his vest and add some highlights all over him. And then use that same white to outline him. And then I'm going to add some glitter and some lipstick. Okay guys, it's about that time to say goodbye. We are coming to the end of this video, and I'm hoping to get those other videos edited and put out on YouTube for you guys to check out. As always, you guys are amazing, and I really do appreciate you guys. Tell me what other face paints you want to see. Put them in the description box below, and if I can do them, I will definitely try. You guys are amazing.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I did this really awesome anime character, Naruto. If you guys enjoyed this video like I did, I really think he turned out pretty awesome. He looks pretty mad, but pretty cute at the same time. And if you did enjoy this video, leave me a like if you want. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do. I would like for you to be a part of the Only in Your Mind family and hit that little bell button so you can be notified of my latest videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. God bless, and I'll see you guys on my next video.